cream chicken with Kasuri Methi. Hello everyone, today I am going to show you the preparation process of cream chicken with Kasuri Methi. The preparation process is very simple, just watch this video. Please note the ingredients of the recipe. 1. Chicken 1 kilo. 2 onion paste. 3. Garlic and ginger paste. 4. 3 to 4 tomatoes. 5. Milk cream 4 to 5 teaspoons. 6. Cashew or cashew nut. 7. Haldi, turmeric powder. 8. Salt as per taste. 9. Kashmiri lal mirch powder, chili powder. 10. Kasuri Methi powder, crunched fenugreek leaves. 11. Cloves. 12. Dalchini, cinnamon stick. 13. Ilaci, cardamom. 14. Not ballisted, mustard oil. First, take all the tomatoes and slice them to grind, with Kashmiri red chili powder, cashew with some haldi for color and salt as per taste. Grind them all together in a mixture grinder, and keep it aside. Now take a non-stick frying pan, and heat up mustard oil. In hot oil, put cardamom, cinnamon stick and cloves, then add onion paste. Fry it gently, till its color turn yellowish. Also, add turmeric powder for color. After a few minutes, add the chicken meat into the pan, and fry it. Add garlic and ginger paste, and salt as per taste. Stir to mix all the masala well. Cover the pan and simmer down the gas flame. Check whether meat is cooked or not. When the meat is nicely cooked, it is the time to add the tomato puree or ketchup that we prepared a while ago. Now stir to mix it well. Cook all the items for some time. As per requirement of gravy, you can add or steam out water. If you prefer thick sticky gravy, then steam out some water, and best to eat with chapati, otherwise, add little water. It is totally depends on individual choice. Finally, add 3 to 4 teaspoons of milk cream. You can add more because it only increases the sour taste. Then add Kasuri Methi, the main spice of today's recipe. Chicken is rich in protein, milk cream is rich in fats, and chopped and dried methi leaves, also known as fenugreek, is very good for diabetic patients. So, in short, it is a very healthy recipe. Please try this once, I am sure you won't be disappointed, and if you do so, please do let me know in the comments section. This is a simple recipe prepared by Ashana Sama for the channel Galaxy of Stars. The whole video is edited by Abhijit Kumar Misra. Hope you like it. Subscribe the channel Galaxy of Stars. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.